for me. Never did I ever think I would see the day. Rap niggas telling the cops to come for me. They try to turn me to a cold felon. All they help me do is get some more millions. All I see is free toy, free toy. Homie, I was in Miami on the shore chillin'. Got a whole new chick. We on the island and she fuck me like she off a beam. I'm out in Jersey and I'm ballin' like I'm off the team. I bought it for it's a Birkin or it's on Celine. Stepped out of bail, I did a diddy bop. I had to tilt my hat at the city cop. I walk away free cause I'm innocent. And when I walk the whole world, oh a nigga wild. We've been at the gas station all night. We've been at the gas station all night. They done had the bag waiting all night. Tell them that it's lit, bitch, we on fire. Ay. Praise to the Most High. Ay. Praise to the Most High. Send praise to the Most High. Praise to the Most High. Soon as I get my masters back, they want chatter. Now I'm independent, niggas want fitted. White labels trying to turn my black folk against me. But selling weed, that nigga don't offend me. Tell my trappers get blooming bags ready. We finna fill them bitches up with Mad Reggie. Take them to the block, sell them at exclusive price. And if they ask why it's trash, least the bag heavy. Devil want a nigga soft. I beat that nigga 1,000 times in a row. Ballin' on a demon like a pick and roll. She ugly, then I gotta hit her with the wall. Still up in this bitch going hard, nigga. Running through these bitches like a yard, nigga. I'm watching complex for the talks, nigga. Cause it's an everyday struggle, fuck my nigga. I got left for them till they count me out. Niggas mad, I saw they bitches like a roundabout. I see niggas trying to kick me when I'm down and out. But I came in here with a purpose, I ain't round for clout. Illuminati trying to get me, nigga.
What's up, man? Appreciate that, man.
People just come on in.
Yeah.
With the whole foot lies. Got to flow all wet.
Right.
You want to go back out this way?
Okay.
I walk away free cause I'm innocent. And when I walk the whole world, oh a nigga wild.
You know how they say we all look alike? I mean, we all is related. You know you look like dude from which one is that? Raising Cane.
Raising Cane.
Yeah. 50 Cent. His not BMF, not BMF, but it's Raising Cane.
I ain't heard that one before.
No.
I thought you was gonna say the little nigga from Moesha.
Oh, hell no.
Me that all my life. I look like a little nigga from Moesha.
Nah.
Was in Miami on the shore chillin'. Got a whole new chick. We on the island and she fuck me like she off a beam. I'm out in Jersey and I'm ballin' like I'm off the team. I bought it for
How you feel about that shit about Tory, man?
stepped out of bail, I did it.
I mean, in the grand scape, I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? I got shit to do. But that shit wild though. Like,
When I walk the whole world,
No, here's the problem though. For instance, the slap. It's no different than hypnosis. When you go like that, when you tap somebody and they go into a hypnosis. For instance, look at how men start wearing their pants up their ass. First it was like just the waistline, then it became up under their ass. It went from that to women starting to get power. So imagine you at work and this broad just say something. It ain't true.
but no. See, and I get that. But hearing this whole story, I can't put it on that. I don't think Meg lying about getting shot. I just think she don't know which one of them two people shot her.
Well,
Was it her friend or was it Tory? She don't know. Because the whole story is Meg was trying to set her homie up with Tory. Her homie that was in a car. something happened. Her homie disappeared for a while. Meg was like, well, I'm gonna fuck this nigga then. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I'm gonna get my little piece off of it then.
Right.
So the friend never knew. So now when the friend is back, they at
Kylie's house.
Charlie's house. Shit get. Apparently Meg was drunk and belligerent.
Right.
Don't nobody like drunk and belligerent women.
Right.
So Kylie was like, hey, y'all gotta go.
Yeah.
And on the way out, I think they had left Tori.
Right.
Tori, driver, came back to get him. Meg took the drunk ass back inside.
Right.
Came back out with Tori and brought her ass back out.
Exactly.
So I think at that point, the conversation with a drunk, belligerent Meg about them two motherfuckers not fucking and her fucking me.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So her drunk friend, a drunk Meg, a super drunk Meg, drunk enough to get kicked out the party.
Right.
A drunk Tori. All relationship issues. Friend, Shorty that Meg slept with Tori because
And other niggas that she was with.
Tori, they probably dealing with whatever bullshit. You know, women like to put their hands on niggas when they drunk. Dealing with a whole lot of shit like that. The fact, it's a lot of bullshit.
Well, remember the witness that was at the house saw the two females fight.
It was like 3 witnesses.
Yeah, that saw all of them fighting.
Right.
Also, the main thing is no bullet that was in the chamber. I mean the casing, nor the casing had Tori's fingerprints on it.
That don't mean shit. When you're rich enough, you can get somebody else to load the gun. That's all that means.
But
hey,
it was
hey, load this up for me, real
right. But it was also stated that it was old girl's gun. It was in her bag.
They said it was Tony's, Troy, whatever his name is, the nigga gun. He had the gun residue on him. She had the gun residue on him. Which means the gun was fired. They was right there. But she was shot.
Both of them bitches
Come on, man.
big as him, bigger than him.
You gotta pay this. If you paint the picture with the evidence, it really, they did find bullet fragments in her foot. Even though she had a little basic wound. You know how motherfuckers get to play dance, nigga, pow, pow, pow.
Right.
But probably actually hit her shit.
But my thing is, first they said it was glass.
Well, and that's the reason why, look.
In a week, you're out dancing?
But listen, who said it was glass? Was it any of the people related to the thing?
The doctor said that it was glass at first.
Why he say it was bullet fragments in her foot later?
Exactly. That's what everybody's trying to figure out.
That's what I'm saying. I think that's why she going out now. She about to sue people who was putting out false information. I think that's all that was going on. You got somebody that was like, yeah, Meg booked Tori the day before, and yeah, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. And Meg would get on her live like, how the fuck do people know shit when shit ain't even happened yet?
Right.
Like, she like, how y'all know about the case when I'm walking in the door right now?
Yeah.
Like, you know what I'm saying? People just talking to get their views and they popping off because you know you get paid for that shit. Enough, if you go viral and you on a professional site, you get money. Every time somebody click on your shit, you drive people to the site.
Right.
Fucking all these stupid ass little article sites want to call you like, hey, so you said Meg got shot in the foot, it was glass. Where did you get that information? Let's give you $100 to be in this art. Like, we're just saying shit, you know what I'm saying? That's why, in that whole case, like, I had tapped out for a while because people were just saying everything. You know what I'm saying? So, we'll find out when the case comes out. All of the information I heard from the case defend Meg. It don't defend her like it make her seem like she ain't shit. But she ain't do nothing wrong, but the ain't shit levels. You know what I'm saying? She was shot. Her friend and Tori turned on her because she was ain't shit, but they shot her. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Had it just ended with the fight in the middle of the street,
Right.
that's all we would have been talking about. her and her friend falling out, we would have been calling Meg ain't shit for fucking somebody who she was trying to set her friend up with. But then at the same time, other people would have been like, why is that fucked up?
Yeah,